How to remove payment method from Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to delete saved credit cards, debit cards, or PayPal accounts from your Facebook payment settings. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings to access your account settings. Moving forward, scroll down until you find the Payment section. Afterwards, tap on Payment Settings or Facebook Pay to view your saved payment methods. In addition to that, you'll see a list of all credit cards, debit cards, and payment accounts you've added. Once there, tap on the payment method you want to remove from your account. Subsequently, you'll be taken to the details page for that specific payment method. Moreover, tap on the three dots icon or remove option at the top or bottom of the screen. Afterwards, select Remove Payment Method or Delete Card from the menu options. Then, Facebook will ask you to confirm that you want to remove this payment method. Within this confirmation pop-up, tap Remove or Confirm to proceed with deletion. Alternatively, if you have multiple payment methods saved, repeat these steps for each one you want to delete. Once removed, you'll no longer be able to use that payment method for Facebook ads, marketplace purchases, or donations. Then, you can always add a new payment method later if needed by going back to payment settings. And that's it. If this payment removal guide helped you manage your Facebook financial settings, leave a like, subscribe for more Facebook security tutorials, and enable the bell